Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Surla, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we are going to discuss about what is bulky uterus. So bulky uterus can be defined on the terms where the woman is in a non-pregnant stage. That is, the woman is not pregnant but yet her uterus is enlarged or has increased in its size. That is the formal definition of bulky uterus. A woman who is in her non-pregnant stage yet has an enlarged uterus with the menstrual irregularities is called as bulky uterus. Then let us know what are the signs and symptoms of bulky uterus. Remember, bulky uterus usually represents or has features of menorrhagia. What is menorrhagia? That is, even if you're bleeding for 5 days, the amount of the flow is increasing, or even if you're bleeding for 10 to 15 days, it can increase. That means the bleeding can prolongedly increase, and then there can be spotting continuously from day 1 till day 5, and from day 5 there can be heavy bleeding, and then up till day 10 there can be bleeding, and after day 10 there can be spotting. So prolonged bleeding or increase in flow, even if it's for a shorter period of time, which has more number of clots and more number of blood releasing, that is called as menorrhagia. If there is period occurring in between two periods, and that is called as metrrhagia. You can see menorrhagia and also metrrhagia and menorrhagia combination in bulky uterus. Apart from that, you might be experiencing pelvic pain or pressure. So what is pelvic pain and pressure? Because the uterus has increased in its size, it can cause a dragging down or bearing down sensation and constant pelvic pain, because uterus is attached by ligaments to the backbone and to the other bones in the pubic area. So what happens is that whenever there is bulky uterus, there is increase in pressure on these ligaments as well as on the attaching bones. So you can experience back pain, you can experience dragging down sensation, bearing down sensation, swelling near the hypogastric region. All of this can be there. Apart from that, you can experience abdominal bloating, back pain, and also dyspareunia, which is painful intercourse. If you are someone who is experiencing bulky uterus along with fibroids, then you can experience this condition where there is constipation also, and also urination also increases. If the fibroid is on the anterior side, then frequency of the urine increases. If the fibroid is on the posterior side, it falls on the rectum and can cause constipation. These are some of the additional features wherein it is complicated with fibroids. Coming to the consultation options here at Fidicus Homeopathy, we have two kinds of consultation options. One is online consultation, the other one is offline consultation. If you're someone who's staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and contact us in person. If you're staying far away from us, you can contact us online, either through audio consultation option or through the video consultation option. Once you've contacted us and you've taken doctor consultation and investigations are verified, especially to the online clients, medicines will be door delivered to you. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 days, 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. Apart from that, across the globe, you can have 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you're someone who is suffering from bulky uterus or any other female reproductive organ diseases, you can contact Fidicus Homeopathy. This is our number. You can call us, WhatsApp us, or messages on this number. Apart from that, if you want to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. So here we have discussed how homeopathy is much better form of treatment than the conventional form or other forms of treatment, right? And how homeopathy is much effective and also much safer. Right? In homeopathy, why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy? Because Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we follow 3 clear principles. What are those? First one is high success rate. We are already experiencing high success rate in treating bulky uterus, in treating adenomyosis, endometriosis, fibroids. So the success rate is really good. And apart from that, the treatment here is transparent. There is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. Everything will be clearly explained to you. The prognosis will be explained to you. And the personal care here at Fidicus Homeopathy is top notch. Any sort of queries, any sort of myths that you're having, any sort of doubts that you're experiencing, or any symptomatic doubts that you're having, everything will be cleared out. So if you want to choose cure, if you want to choose health, choose Fidicus Homeopathy.